Seesii Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw is a powerful and lightweight tool designed for effortless tree trimming and wood cutting. Weighing just 2.62 pounds, it allows for one-handed operation, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Its cordless design ensures easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. Equipped with two powerful rechargeable batteries and a fast charger, this mini chainsaw offers extended usage time. The batteries feature self-overload and temperature protection, ensuring a longer lifespan and reliable performance. Designed for efficiency, the powerful motor allows it to cut through 6-inch logs in just 8 seconds, making it significantly faster and more convenient than traditional chainsaws. The chainsaw comes fully assembled, requiring only minor adjustments with the included wrench. No separate chain installation is necessary. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw is not only a practical tool but also a great gift for husbands and fathers, especially for occasions like Father's Day. The package includes 2 batteries, a carrying case, 2 chains, maintenance tools, gloves, and more, providing everything needed for immediate use. Whether for gardening, pruning, or wood cutting, this mini chainsaw is a versatile and portable solution for various outdoor tasks. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.